In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your new domain name. So the first step is to access your web hosting control panel. And to do that, you simply type in your domain name /cpanel. And once you're in, you simply log in. And you need to look for a tool called Fantastico Deluxe. Inside you'll find WordPress. So simply click on WordPress. And you want to do a new installation. The first field is install in a directory. So for example, if you want your blog installed at yourdomainname.com/blog, then you simply put in blog. But in most cases, you want your blog installed in the main domain name, which is the most typical. So in this case, I'll leave it blank. Then you want to add a username and password, followed by your name, and an email address, and your site name. In this case, I'll just choose, and a description, and simply click on Install WordPress. Click on Finish Installation. And your blog is now installed. Now to see if it's installed, simply go to your main domain name or wherever your blog was installed. So if it was installed in /blog, then you put in yourdomain.com/yourblog. As you can see, the blog is now set up. And next you want to customize your blog.